Welcome back, guys. Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have the Baker passenger backrest support for the Can-Am Spyder F3. If you've ever ridden with the passenger on the back of your Spyder without a backrest support, you probably have noticed they're holding on for dear life and fear that they'll slide off the back of the seat under hard acceleration. You may have also noticed that with each and every shift or hard brake, you and your passenger bump helmets, creating a less than desirable riding experience, especially on those long tours. To help address this issue, Baker has launched the passenger backrest support for the Can-Am Spyder F3. This backrest not only frees up crowding when riding together, but also gives your passenger great lower back support so you can actually enjoy those long rides together. It's 100% bolt-on and is fully adjustable, allowing your passenger to set the backrest support to their desired riding position. Now follow me as I walk you through the installation process. Start by installing the bracket under the required Baker Luggage Rack. Then insert your 2 bolts from the top, followed by the washer, lock washer, and then the nut. Now tighten those down nice and snug, making sure not to over tighten. Next, you're going to loosen the set screw and slide in your backrest. It's as simple as that. Now, if this product interests you, head on over to slingmods.com today and grab one for yourself. And don't forget to like and subscribe below to stay up to date with all the latest mods and installs for the Can-Am Spyder. I'm Brandon signing out. We'll see you on the road.